hear you in the background whenever I phone, telling your brother to say you're gone. You've been tripping around uptown, doing some fancy clowns.
She used to come around and play patty cake. Heard of this one clown spat the worst game ever, but it didn't take much for a thrill seeker. I guess he was much more or less a teacher. I learned watching the groove, so I couldn't knock the hustle. Just apply the methods used for the position. It was a cold summer day. I remember we were far from September. She came from around the way. I got the opportunity to say hello. Her voice responding back to me could resurrect hearts. I'm full of life. I thanked her for the jump start. I made her blush. Just looking at her face made me wanna bust. Was this love or lust? Either way, I was in love. She didn't have a smirk. I figured I'd walk her home until she let me into her heart. Finally the day came. Her parents were out of town, and I was thinking with my other head. Later soon turned red. I couldn't believe a virgin beauty, a real cutie I could call my own. She was all that and more until we grew apart. I wrote this song cause I still remember that cold day from September. I'm sure we all remember it first. Sometimes it's usually the worst, but it wasn't so bad. I was glad it ended on good terms. It's funny, I never seen her face again. I heard she was getting married with a kid on the way. Honestly, I didn't know what to say. This was a big surprise, I'm not gonna lie, but there was still a strong feeling deep inside. Now I'm 23, living free, wondering what could have been. I've seen them come, I've seen them go. It continues as I grow. All I gotta say is watch out for them tricks. Quick to have your baby in a mix. You know. Never stop flowing, I keep going like the Energizer battery. Stone assassins quick, now never quit. Writing rhymes till the end of time. It's my birthday every day. I gotta shine until I get 1 million views.